If you want to learn how to color in Krita, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple beginner-friendly method for filling your line art cleanly and keeping your colors organized on separate layers. This is a fast workflow that works great for digital art, comics, character art, and any illustration where you want clean color separation and easy editing later. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Krita guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, make sure your line art is finished and visible in the layers docker. This is important because Krita needs to know which layer contains the outlines of your drawing. Click your line art layers to select it, so you know exactly what you're working with. Next, go over to the left toolbar and choose the Fill tool. You can also use the shortcut F, which makes it very quick to switch to coloring mode. Once the Fill tool is active, open the Tool Options docker. Depending on your setup, this will usually be on the right side of the screen. If you don't see it, you may need to enable it from the menu, but in most standard layouts, it should already be visible. In the tool options, look for the reference setting. This is one of the most important steps because it tells Krita what to use as a guide when filling areas. Change reference to all layers. By doing this, Krita will recognize your line art even if you are filling from a different layer. This helps prevent the tool from ignoring your outlines and makes coloring much more accurate. Now create a new paint layer below your line art layer. This keeps your colors separate from your sketch or ink, which is a very good habit to build. Working on a separate layer makes it much easier to edit colors later, fix mistakes, or repaint sections without affecting your line art. To do this, click the New Layer button in the Layers docker, then drag the new layer underneath your line art if it isn't already there. Once your layer setup is ready, choose the color you want to use as your active color. You can pick it from the color wheel or from your palette, depending on how you like to work. Then move your cursor inside an enclosed area of the drawing. Click inside the shape and Krita will fill it with your selected color. If your line art is closed properly, the fill should stay neatly inside the boundaries. Repeat this process for each part of your drawing. Pick a new color, click inside another enclosed area, and continue building up your illustration piece by piece. This is one of the easiest ways to color in Krita, especially if you are just starting out. It gives you clean results, keeps your workflow organized, and makes it simple to adjust colors later on. If you ever notice the fill going outside the lines, that usually means there is a gap in the line art or the reference settings need to be checked again. So always make sure your lines are closed and that reference is still set to all layers. That small setting makes a big difference when you're working with line art. And that's it. You now know how to color in Krita using the Fill tool, a separate paint layer, and the right reference settings for clean results. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.